Hello everybody, welcome to Kurdish lessons. So today we will listen to a very nice song and I will try to explain the lyrics of the song. So I will just explain the first part of the song because otherwise it's very long. So the singer is Yunus Dishkaya, my favorite one, and the name of the song is Laukemen Chu, like my son, my boy went. Okay, but I just want to say that this poem is by Ferike Usuf. Okay, Ferike Usuf, one of the best poets in Kurdish language, I would say. So if you are ready, let's listen.
Laukemen Chu, Khwandekar Darbe Gwende Naye Yara Khwasht, Chara Khwasht, Shbirkir Soza Dunyaye.
Let's listen to it once more.
Laukemen Chu, Khwandekar Darbe Gwende Naye Yara Khwasht, Chara Khwasht, Shbirkir Soza Dunyaye.
So let's have a look at the lyrics. So in the first part, he says, Laukemen Chu bu Khwandekar, my boy went, became a student. Okay, Laukemen Chu bu Khwandekar. So be careful when you say bu Khwandekar, became a student. But if you would say Khwandekar bu, it will be was a student. Okay, be careful. And the second sentence is Berbe Gundeme Naye. So here there is a circumposition, but in this song, in this poem, there is no second part of this circumposition. Normally it should be Berbe Gundeme Ve Naye. So Berbe Tatatant Ve is like towards, okay? So here it says he is not coming to the village, okay? Like after he went to a big city to study, he is not coming like to the village, okay? And the third sentence is Yara khwe husht, chara khwe husht. Yar is like beloved one, okay? Like your love, like your boyfriend or your girlfriend. But here, of course, it is Yara khwe, it's female one. So like hushten is to leave. And the husht is past form. So he left her beloved one, okay? Yara khwahist, chara khwahist. So chara, it should be chareya. But for the rhythm, he just, when we say very quickly, chareya becomes chara, okay? And chare means like solution. So he left his girlfriend, he left the solution. And the last part is Jibirkir Soza Dunyaye. Jibirkirin is to forget, okay? As Jibirdikim to Jibirdiki, or Min Jibirkir, I forgot, okay, in the past. And here it says Soza Dunyaye. Soz is like promise, like word, to give a word, to promise. But here it says a noun, like promise. Soza Dunyaye, like the promise of the world. So he forgot the promise of the world, like he forgot everything. So he went to the studying and he's not coming to the village. He left his girlfriend, he left his solution, like the solution, and he forgot about the promise of the world. It's very deep. Let's listen to it once more. This guy is Yunus Dishkaya, so you have to wait a bit for him to enter the song. I mean, it takes time for his to start. So for example, so I just went further to listen it quickly. So let's listen.
Laukemen Chu, Khwandekar Darbe Gwende Naye Yara Khwasht, Chara Khwasht, bir kır soza dünyayı. Şehirliye gitti dökmedi Kaynakbata vikri Bile lavkemin bu gavir Çarxamın çak zıvırı Az çenekem başna belem Kırkı hayır rengi Gavalam kemeri aziz Leser şehir büye bu bengi Yav kemin çubuğu hendekar Berbe günde menaye Yaraha heşt çaraha heşt Bir kır soza dünyaya.
Yes. Let's stop here. It's very long. It's around 10 minutes. So if you just Google it, Yunus Dişkaya Lavkemin Chu, so you can listen to it by yourself. And under the video, you can see the lyrics, okay? And you can try to understand the lyrics. So thank you so much for watching. Have a nice weekend. And I hope we will meet again and again. Bye bye.